Hello, in this video we focus on a universal multi-season knit, very embossed, and with an attractive texture. The scheme consists of 2 loops and 4 rows. We start knitting from the wrong side. Row 1 wrong side, knit stitches in pairs. Knit 2 loops together. Make a yarn over loop, then knit 2 loops together again. Repeat, knit 2 loops together, make a yarn over loop, then knit 2 loops together again. Knit like this until the end of the row. Row 2 right side, after the edge loop, knit the loops in triples. Make 2 loops from 3. Pick up the middle one with the right hook. This is the yarn over loop from the previous row. Slip it on the right hook without knitting. Then knit together the remaining 2 loops through the back. Again, slip the middle loop, and knit 2 loops together through the back. Knit like this until the end of the row. Row 3 wrong side. Purl all the loops from the beginning to the end of the row. Row 4 on the front side. Knit all the loops from the beginning to the end of the row. I hope you enjoy this multi-purpose knit for every member of the family because of its beautiful texture and relief. I highly recommend it. Thank you for being together. If you like this video, press the like button. Subscribe to the channel and notifications to watch all my videos. I wish you inspiration. Knit with love and be happy. See you soon.